Hello everybody, in this video I'll be testing this Xiaomi Band charging cable. So I have a Xiaomi Band 6 and the charging cable was lost. So this is a replacement from Temu. It's very cheap. Looks like it's the right connection. So that's the Xiaomi Band. Just gonna plug it in. It's magnetic, so it just easily clicks. There we go. Just like that. You can feel it connecting. Now plug it into a portable charging device. So this is a portable charger. Let's see if it works. Okay. Gonna need to probably turn this on. Okay, so yep, it's charging. So starting up, there we go. 0%, so it was completely flat.